So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our goal. So let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the day. So yesterday, we did analysis for the day, right, on gold, and we said it that gold will give us a bullish move for the day, and this is exactly what market did give us a bullish move. So we were anticipating for this movement, and market did exactly what we predicted it to do. So this is one of the reasons why to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on anything. Now, take a look at this moment right here. This was the previous trend on our gold. It was literally trending to the downside. Gold was literally dropping. It was trending downward, right? Then we eventually had this movement, which is a double bottom. You all know what a double bottom is. It means a reversal movement. This double bottom means a reversal movement. So this is one of the reasons why market pushed up to break this neckline, right? Confirmation, and now it is now pushing up. So for this Thursday, right, you should expect gold to give us a bullish move for the day. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. This is also the trend on the forward time frame. We are very much trending to the upside. This is our high, and this is our higher low. This is what the higher high also. Here comes the higher low right here. So the higher low is currently playing out. Once the higher low finish playing out, right, you would expect market to push up one time again to form a new higher high. So a bullish move for the day, what we should be expecting on our gold.